Alright, here I'm showing the Unity Hub. The Unity Hub is really where we manage our Unity installations, our Unity editors, and in fact I have already the right one installed here, the 2023-25F1, that's the one we're going to be using. I installed it with Android support and Windows development support, but that's I think a default, and then the UWP. So let's look at what that means. Let's assume you don't have that installed on your computer yet, and I cannot reinstall it now. I don't want to. I could actually technically remove it and then do it again, but it took a while. So what I'll do instead is something that I don't want you to do, but I'm just going to look at installing a new editor. I could go through the official releases, which is the one that we have here. Anyway, I can press install editor up here. And I would then pick the one that we have now, but let's just say, okay, I'm curious what 2022 will look like. I mean, we are in 2022, so why not look? It's beta at the moment, not stable, that's why, or not, but not necessarily stable, and that's why we are not using it. We're using the long-term support versions. But anyway, let's just, it's the same, the dialog looks the same. I press install. For you, it would then say the correct version that you want, but right now it says this one. If I wanted to do Android support and be able to deploy to my smartphone later, I have an Android smartphone. I want to do AR later, so AR Core. I would pick all these things. That gives me the Android SDK and the Java Development Kit, so it can actually really do things. And so that's what I did. Select if you have a MacBook Pro in front of you and you want to, or MacBook Air, and you want to be able to deploy to your iPhone, then you would click this and then press install. I don't think we need anything else at the moment. There's a lot of, I guess I did must have. So Universal Windows Platform is something I chose for my other build. From other Unity editor that I installed. That would allow me to work with a HoloLens. A HoloLens is another AR device that we'll be covering sometimes, but you probably don't have access to it. Anyway, then you would press install and then wait forever, and it'll appear in here. And in a different video, I'll show you how to create a new project. Right now it's empty, but we'll go through that very soon.